Oh, God. Hey, step away! Step away! Step away from me! You idiot! You stepping away! I can't that's enough! Hey, you tell me that! What are you doing? Hey, you're pushing me!
Huh? Hey guys. And some voices.
Do you think this is around the world?
Alright. Alright, boys. Time out.
Whoa! Hey!
Alright, don't get panicked, guys. I'm right here. Wow!
Hit it!
Oh!
Oh! Hit it! Hit! 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 Hit!
Alright, you win. I lost, you win. Alright. I lost, I win. Guys, I'm gonna fall. Oh, whoa. Oh, here's one of the little leaves. Oh, that was so silly.
Hey, Dhar Mann Remake Parody fan and everyone, thank you for watching the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, and I hope you love that message. We'll just stay till the end for shoutouts and give it our winners. This is Playhouse Disney.
Hello.
They discontinued and closed on February 13, 2011. Isn't that right, Playhouse Disney?
That's right, Chris. Disney Junior is a brand new morning show on February 14, 2011.
Yep, that's right. And I'll appreciate you and Playhouse Disney, and I will see you in the next video.
Have a good night, everybody.
Good luck, everyone.